Okay. That's just... Wake up! Hey, no. Why does this happen so often? Yo, we have to have breakfast. We're just gonna make breakfast and we'll go be right back.
We got
Okay, we have breakfast. Look at our stuff.
breakfast.
I already ate the snowball.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat.
So tasty. Oh, my drink despawned.
Oh, full. You know what? I like eating the plates.
It's good.
Yeah, the plates are good.
I'm gonna eat the plate.
They're candy plates.
Guys, fun fact about plates. They bounce.
They're bouncy.
Don't ask. And then you can eat them. Ha.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's just get into the actual video.
We transition. Now
We are here in the new place. You guys might be asking, Mr. Poopy, why are you in a starter house?
Yeah.
Because you see that thing over there? This is everything.
Ultra Sigma Epic.
Okay, so we're gonna show you guys my favorite one first, which is tag.
Going in tag.
We'll be there in a couple seconds. Okay, we are here in tap tag. Okay, guys, you won't believe this. They added back pills. Can I get a yay in the chat? Yay! Construction site and basement. Boo!
Thumbs up.
Get out!
Exactly. I'm gonna play that as sound effect actually.
Okay, we're gonna go to Spleef. 3, 2, 1. We're here in Spleef. Okay, this one's really cool. There's a free play Spleef. Yay.
Where you can use the grapplers,
There's a
everything.
standard.
Where it's
Yay. And then we're gonna play in this one. A hardcore Spleef. We're gonna be in a hardcore in a couple seconds. 3,
Hardcore Spleef.
2, 1. We are here in hardcore Spleef. Look, I'm just gonna wait. Look at all of these things
I don't think they
that
can see
are
it,
allowed.
actually. I don't think they can see
It's
it on
not-
camera.
Oh yeah.
They can. I just looked on my phone.
This is a lot of things that they allowed,
So
but
go
they,
get that Spleef.
the only way you can save yourself is with
You watch
portal
some of my old
walls.
videos, you know.
So I'm gonna turn you guys into a drone.
Same here.
Hi. And we're gonna do a little bit of
Don't
Spleef.
turn me into a drone.
This is the first layer of Spleef. We all know this.
Hey, I need weapons. No, you jerk. Please.
Get out! Yeah. I win. We're gonna do another round because that was super duper short. Ditto! McGucket. Do we have any Gravity Falls fans out there?
How about you just get out?
Oh no.
Not very nice. No cursed energy.
Yeah. Let's do a round 3. I've won both of them. Let's actually do 2 more so that we can see who's winning. Actually, let's do 5 more because then someone can actually win. Okay, it's 2-0. 3 more rounds. Broly thinks he has a chance on me. Oh. Ha ha. who's winning.
Possibly you.
No, I think you're gonna win.
Here. Fun. Mechanic panic, skibbity panic. Society of one cat. I'm happy.
Iowa.
Oh, Sindayu. Oh, hi. Rocco Sim.
Stop running!
Yeah! I'm a professional mojito.
Nuh-uh.
Shoot. Shoot. Okay, you win. I give up.
Yeah. I shall be immortal. I'm dead.
Left toe.
Dayman Curly's left toe. Wait, which one's next? Oh, Hangout's next. Guys, there's gonna be a really good thing in Hangout. I'll give you a hint. It's a map. Okay, we're gonna teleport there. 3,
I'm
2,
gonna drop this portal.
1. Hi guys.
Guys,
We are here in Hangout. Guys, Plaza is back. Wait. Plaza. Let's go and hang out in Plaza for a little.
1 second. It's okay.
Oh wait, guys. Yippie's in the chat for Plaza. Yay! Yippie's in the chat for skate park. Yay!
Yippee sound effect.
Yippie's in the chat for theater. Yay!
Yippee sound effect.
We're gonna be in Plaza. Guys, we are in Plaza. They changed the water. It's actual water now. You guys want to see a trick shot?
I can't swim.
I suck at trick shot. I'm drowning. I'm back. He saved me. We're okay.
Yeah, we're all okay.
Yippee! I was going to a hot air
Mr.
balloon.
Poopy saved me again.
Oh no! It's going to the Mr. Poopy color.
Yeah, Mr. Poopy color balloon.
Yay! Wait, do you think the buckhorn stash is still in the purple one? Bye guys, we're on top of a hot air balloon. Hi guys, we're just gonna check if there used to be a buckhorn stash in here. Oh, they got rid of the buckhorn stash.
Pink balloon.
The pink balloon?
Yeah.
I don't know, I missed.
Look up at it from down.
Okay, I'm looking at it.
Remember this?
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, I had this map copied out. So we were all playing in my closet.
Trick shot! Man, I know how to swim.
They were both down there trying to look at me.
No, I did it! Hi guys. Why are you guys upside down?
No,
Wait, I'm upside down. I'm stupid. Okay, guys.
Back from breaking my leg.
We're gonna go to hide and seek in 3, 2,
I might.
1. Okay, we're here. There's some pretty good maps. Blue House, a classic, obviously.
Come on.
Tan House. This was one of the first Yeeps houses.
Yeeps map.
First one. And basement. Boo!
Sad. Sad violent.
Oh! might be the end for the video.
Hey,
We didn't. We did.
Did?
Yeah, that's the first one. Oh, we didn't play in tag or this one, but you should still check them out. They're really, 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 really fun.